Ha mi vi coni seo nar scoil na saite na áte sa bí eile am bheitthe cáras cúpla na fichiid agus sé bhóile am bhíomh chu idir gealaiste sa han dúicht se méchail am. Sálan, monaich, caille, beantan, wochan, einigin, traien, cuan, ulig me starri hín.
Faríomh újagam an a bhí trúsach smiaran is eile ach nar a glúis Liusaidh an Còcaire Fiadhain gan bheile a choram an tuilí giachan cuid ar a mealach go leorlach rá.
Agus seo an choram in isise goise nach tí sibh cádarin a Rùrachd.
Scéintear gur a chiatrút má bí daine féinach nar héit imire go thuirste Rùrachd na balgan-buachaille cuid tá plasta, cuid ha sábhailte agus cuid in icrán. Ech má go bhfuil Liusaidh cádarim a srama go mar cearst.
This one, we need to use even more senses. We need to use our sense of smell. And I don't know if you can pick up anything from that.
Oh, it's a wee bit aromatic.
Yeah, slightly curried. That and the, you can start seeing that the latex actually isn't clearer than you'd think at first thought, and there's actually bits in it.
Yeah. Okay.
And that helps you to ID it as a curry milk cap.
Okay. So you can eat this safely?
You can indeed, yeah. It needs to be well cooked if you do it from fresh. Most people would dry them because upon drying the flavour intensifies, which is something that does quite common, happens with some fungi, and then use it in your wild spice rack.
Okay, cool.
Sé stoch an seir se bheits duine trúsach mar is trích gin na cúin áir seo. An ALBA han canternet se bheas an an chéiltin bethis giúis mar cháirid an nàdair a bíoh ca chéile.